I'm Helen Mary Jones, and I'm asking you today to make a donation to our Westminster Fighting Fund, a donation that could make all the difference for Plaid and for Wales. Our council results this year have been amazing. We had a fantastic result in Llanelli, even knocking the Labour leader off his perch. We've gained councillors in Ynys Môn, Aberconwy and Ceredigion. If we're going to win these seats, we have to match the Westminster parties, poster for poster, leaflet for leaflet, billboard for billboard. £10 can buy us 10 garden posters. 100 can buy us 2,000 leaflets. £1,500 can buy a billboard for 2 of those key weeks in the election campaign. You have my word that every penny you give will be kept for the Westminster Fighting Fund. I know that we can do this. If we as members can raise £20,000, we can win these seats for Plaid.